Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expressions. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dart and bot math method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list, we have 4 answers, 2, 4, 6 and 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent and power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the square root or cube root or any root, and also if any number which has the power square, cube or any, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 3 is you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both you have the same precedence, division and multiplication, so you can solve any of them which is coming first, either division or either multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. Both have similar precedence, so we can solve any of them which is coming first if we are going left to right. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the Botmas and Pamdas rule, first of all, we have to solve bracket first. So here we have this bracket, which is 2 multiplied by 6 divided by and 8 minus 2 equals to 6. And this part we will write as it is, like minus 2 raised to power 3, and here we will give the reference 8 minus 2 equals to 6. Now, move forward. Step number 2 is you have to solve the exponent part, or you can say the power of any number. So you have to solve that part first. So in our this expression, we have this part which is power. So 2 multiplied by 6 and divided by 6 minus, and 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So we will multiply these two terms and get the answer is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. And plus 3 multiplied by 4, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 2 raised to power 3. And power we will write as it is 2 raised to power 3 equals to 6. And this part we will write as it is. Now move forward. We have to solve all a bracket and also the exponent part. Now we have to solve step number 3, division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first, division or multiplication. So first we have this multiplication, so we will solve this part first. So 2 multiplied by 6 equals to 12, and other part like divided by 6 and minus 8, and this part we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference to multiply by 6 equals to 12. Now move forward. We have here, again we will go left to right in our expression. So we will go, left to right in this expression, and now we will find out again which is coming first. So here we have again division. So now we will divide 12 divided by 6 equals to 2, and minus 8 plus 3 multiplied by 4 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. Now we have to go again left to right and find out again division and multiplication. Now we have another multiplication, which is last multiplication in this expression. So we have 2 minus 8 and 3 fours are 12. And here we will give the reference 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Now we have solved all the division and multiplication. Now we have addition and subtraction. And we will solve addition and subtraction now. So first of all, we have 2 minus 8. So first of all, we will solve this one. So 2 minus 8 equals to minus 6. And plus 12, we will write as it is. Because we have the minus sign with the 8 sign 8, which is the largest number in this two terms, we will write 2 minus 8 equals to minus 6. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other because we have the minus sign with 6 and plus sign with equal. So plus 12 and minus 6 equals to 6. Not minus 6 is 6. So if you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression, which is given expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the this expression using PAMDAS and BOTMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.